They say in Japan, if a floating lantern follows you at night, don't turn around, because it isn't a lantern at all. Villagers call it Chochin Obake, the Lantern Man, a spirit born from an old lantern that lived too long. It drifts silently until it finds someone walking alone. Then the flame inside turns blue. If you look too closely, the lantern splits open like a mouth, whispering your name with a burning breath. One traveler swore the lantern followed him for miles, and every time he walked faster, it floated closer. He ran indoors, slammed the door, and the blue light vanished. But the next morning, he found scorch marks shaped like fingers on his window. So if you ever see a lantern floating on its own, don't stare, don't follow, and whatever you do, don't let it say your name.